Hello friends, today I want to talk about the nature. As we know that nature is a great gift of God. It is unwillingly called. The process of nature is very good. I am in Begusarai. See what nature is doing. Nature is doing everything, but we don't support nature. We would like to cut the trees and make buildings like this. See, they are cutting buildings and making holes. See, they are cutting trees and planting and making house. See friends. See nature. So friends, I would like to tell you, if we love nature, nature loves us. We are human beings. We have explanation about the nature. We would love, regard nature. When a people doesn't like nature, what can he do in his life? He cannot do anything in his life. So friends, I want to tell you that nature is a great gift. Don't waste it. Don't cut trees. Plant more and more trees. Try to understand, friends, what I want to say. Plant more and more trees. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. If you are able to ask anyone's question, what you are not. If a person asks you, what are you doing? You ask, I am planting tree. That person is very happy. Okay friends. So at last I want to say that plant more and more trees and don't cut trees, because trees are our life. If 2.5 करोड़ आदमी इस धरती पर पेड़ लगाएंगे, 2.5 करोड़ जीवन तो बचेंगे भाइयों, बहनों, माताओं, पिताओं, बचेंगे या नहीं? So plant more and more trees. Thanks. Have a nice day. Thanks. See what are people? How they cut trees and make buildings in Begusarai. See. There you don't see any tree. See. See, all around you see only buildings. See friends. See. So friends, I have to tell you that plant more and more trees, because trees are our life. Okay friends, so thanks, have a nice day.